In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for academic research presentations. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking on the Create New AI button at the top of my dashboard. Since I already have a research paper, I'll select the option to import a file or URL. I'm going to click Upload a file and choose my research PDF on AI in Smart Cities from my documents. Once the file is uploaded, I'll make sure the presentation option is selected and click Continue. Now, I'm in the prompt editor where the AI has extracted the key points from my paper. I want the slides to be clear, so I'll select the Condense option and set the amount of text to concise. I can also adjust the total number of cards to fit my needs. Before generating, I'll pick a visual theme from the sidebar. I think the Oasis theme looks professional for this topic. Once everything is set, I'll click the Generate button. The AI is now building my slides, automatically creating sections for the challenges of urbanization, technological pillars, and case studies. Now that the generation is finished, I can review the work and start editing. I can click directly on any text to change the content or use the toolbar on the right to add more elements like images, videos, and smart diagrams. This allows me to fully customize the layout and refine the research details as needed. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for academic research presentations.